हमारे एजुकेशन पॉइंट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और कमेंट भी कीजिए। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Peace is essential for a better way of living, peace of mind, peace in the family, and peace in nature. Today, we have access to everything we desire, but in the absence of peace, everything seems meaningless. Much needed today are love, compassion, tolerance, forbearance, and the spirit of coexistence. The way to attain peace is simple: take your share without snatching from others, fulfill your needs without depriving others, satisfy your desires without preventing others from achieving their ambitions, solve your problems without creating problems for your fellow creatures. Peaceful coexistence is the only way of exist in this world.